Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a workspace for your coaching business using Notion. Very simple, very basic, and there is no coding or no complicated training required. I've been using Notion for a couple of years now. I absolutely love it. I love how it keeps me organized and how I'm able to go back into the information, the databases, and edit. I love the way that I can store information. So, just to kind of give you a very simple way to store your information, right here is a weekly 2026 monthly planner, so to speak, but it also has a weekly planner, monthly planner. You can customize it how you want, you can move it around how you want. Just to give you an idea of what this looks like, this is my April planner. It has some highlights or goals for the month. Those are the first things that pop up. You have a month view, you have some reminders. Right here is a new database that I created, and basically every time I work on the business, I document my progress because I want to make sure that whatever I'm doing, that I am aligning with my goals, and also I want to make sure that I'm actually working on my stuff, right? So here's your weekly checkoff list. As you can see, I don't use this very often, but this may be different for you. And then here is my coaching program that I have incorporated here. It's a 12-week coaching program, and I'm still building on it. And basically, I save all of my documents, save all of the material, I save all of the videos. So just to kind of give you an idea, here's my videos. This is some content that I created, maybe some video scripts. So every time that I teach something, I always try to teach something that aligns with my group coaching program, and then I just kind of add into it. So that's kind of how that looks. You have your all the way up till December, and then you have your notes section here, and then you can add additional pages here. This right here is a cool AI feature. You can write into the chat box what kind of templates you're looking for and what it can, what kind of templates, that it will recommend. And it is absolutely divine. It would literally just piece everything together. You don't have to do absolutely nothing. It's the greatest thing of all. So, all right, back to our 2026 monthly and weekly template. I'm going to show you how to do that. So, let's say you're here in your Notion workspace. Go ahead and create. These are just like regular like other templates that are shown here. But this is how your Notion is going to look like when you first open it up. Okay, I have two different Notion spaces. This is more for a tutorial purpose. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a new page, and then I'm going to I'm not going to name this page yet. First, I want you to look at the bottom. Ask AI, AI meeting notes, database, forms. We're going to go into templates, okay? And then right in the templates, this is where you're going to be able to choose or search for certain templates that may align with you. So you have like things like personal goals, and it's going to show you a whole bunch of templates that are personal goals focused. A lot of them are free. Some of them have been created by other creators, and they are absolutely super functional, and they range different prices, so it just depends. So like this one right here, this one is $99. This is probably one of the most I've seen, but it gives you a little YouTube tutorial on how to use the template. And if it's something that's like your jam, then go ahead and use that. You have expense tracker. You're going to see a whole bunch of templates on expense tracker. You have New Year's templates. I mean, a whole bunch. So let's go ahead and search for a monthly planner. Okay. And the first that's going to pop up is this one right here. It has a 4.9 rating, and you can absolutely, I invite you to look at the other planners and see which one may align with you and see if that's something that you want to download. But once you choose a planner that you wish, go ahead and add it. You can set it as private, or you can add it to another like members workspace so you guys can share, assuming that you're collaborating. Otherwise, just add it to private, put your email address, and then submit. And then in a couple of moments, you'll see that the template is going to show up here. Boom. So there you go. Your 2026 planner. Let's go ahead and refresh that. Right now it's just loading, so it's doing its thing. So right there is your 2026 monthly and weekly planner, and you can start using it and customizing right away. And there you go. That's pretty much how you create a workspace in Notion. Now, let's say you want to take things, to a whole different level, right? So let's say you want to create, help me create a content planner that allows me to add my newsletter ideas as well as topics for my YouTube channel. You press enter, and then it's going to do its thing. It's going to think, and then eventually it'll create a template based on what you are asking from the AI chat box. So, all right. I hope that this was helpful. If it was, let me know. If there's something specific that you would like to learn more of, please let me know. And here it is, your content planner and your template. Right here, it all has everything organized for you, your status, published date, content pillars, the link to your content, and all of that cool stuff. And it's all incorporated here, and you can move it around. You can, copy and paste it to another template, whatever floats your boat. So, all right, guys, hopefully this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.